In the north of the island of Palawan, southwest of the Philippines, the ordinary aspect of the city of El Nido highlights the contrast between mundane and the sublime. El Nido, a small village north of Palawan, Philippines, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world at the moment. Get ready to cross one of the most beautiful, unspoiled, astonishing, inspiring places in the world off your bucket list. El Nido is ready for you. From budget to badass, you can find all sorts of accommodation here in the form of hostels, tree houses, glamping and cozy resorts. El Nido is quite popular on the backpacker trail, which means that Western food is readily available, parties are non-stop, and adventure tours are well thought out. However, don't let that fool you into thinking that El Nido is overcrowded, because it's not. Palawan is full of white sandy beaches, each more beautiful than the next, as well as paradise islands to visit by boat, around which you can dive, snorkel, stand-up paddle or kayak. Places not to be missed include Small Lagoon, Big Lagoon, Port Barton, Las Cabanas Beach, Nagpan Beach and Mini Lock Island. El Nido is a magical place, from its ageless towering marble cliffs to its white sandy beaches with crystal clear water. Many refer to it as paradise. There are over 50 beaches to discover, so many in fact that sometimes you feel as if you are on your own private beach. You will also find enchanting lagoons with tranquil turquoise green water, caves that can take you to hidden beaches, and a very diverse variety of wildlife. El Nido isn't the easiest location to access, but those who push through are handsomely rewarded with some of the most gorgeous scenery on the planet. The coast is a maze of limestone cliffs, caves, lagoons, and secret beaches that you could stay and explore for weeks on end. Inland is full of waterfalls, hiking trails, and Filipino villages offering an authentic food you must try. The island of Palawan, and in particular the village of El Nido, offers different options to tourists according to their desires and financial means, as we mentioned earlier. El Nido can be a destination for backpackers who can stay in a small guest house at a moderate price and eat for a low price. On the other hand, the islands located in the Bakwit archipelago opposite El Nido are partly private and home to luxury hotel resorts whose access is reserved for well-off, even really wealthy people. The biodiversity of Palawan is incredible, and several animal species are endemic to the island. Unfortunately, this natural abundance is threatened by overfishing, deforestation and pollution. To fight these threats, the government has designated El Nido as a protected area. This protection includes a marine area of 360 square kilometers, the entire Bay of Bakwit, including its island, the land portion of El Nido, and part of Taytay. This area is called the El Nido Taytay Managed Resource Protected Area. The dry season is from around November to May, with temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius and rain is rare. The most popular tourist times in El Nido are Christmas and Easter. With the Philippines being 95% Catholic, the celebration of these two events in the Catholic calendar bring out another side to El Nido, especially in Easter, where there is a week-long festival including town parades and markets. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We're posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.